How to remove a group member in Facebook Messenger. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Messenger on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the group chat you want to remove someone from. Then click on group chat name at the top. After you've clicked on the group chat name, it will lead you to this page. In here, scroll down and click on See Members. After you've clicked on See Members, you'll find all the members. Now click on the member you want to remove. You'll find these options. Click on Remove from Group, which is the second option, and after that, the person will be removed from the group. This is how to remove a group member in Facebook Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.